Vivo has finally released the latest generation of its flagship smartphone, featuring a superior camera developed in collaboration with Zeiss. Of the two options available, the Pro variant naturally boasts higher camera specifications. Without further ado, let's take a look at the VIVO X300 Pro, Vivo's flagship smartphone for the end of 2025. Yes, this year the VIVO X300 is available in only two variants, as the Standard and Pro Mini variants from last year have been merged into one standard variant, featuring a superior 200-megapixel camera sensor in a compact size. However, the design of the VIVO X300 Pro is also slightly smaller thanks to several changes in its design aspects. The VIVO X300 Pro once again features a triple rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor offering gimbal-level stabilization, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50-megapixel selfie camera, and a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor, all enhanced by Zeiss, both in hardware and software. So, what are the differences in its design aspects? Before reviewing the VIVO X300 Pro, the unit we reviewed was the Chinese retail version. Unfortunately, there is no information yet regarding its official availability in Indonesia. At least it can be used as a reference for when it is officially sold, as the box and its design look exactly the same. The same goes for the contents of the box, which still includes a complete set of accessories. Inside the VIVO X300 Pro unboxing box, you will find the smartphone unit, a brightly colored soft case that matches the smartphone color options, a quick start guide, a SIM card ejector, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and a 90W flash charge charger adapter. Yes, the good news is that it is still quite complete, especially when compared to other non-BBK Android flagships. The VIVO X300 Pro is available in 4 different color options: black, brown, blue, and white. Although they may look similar at first glance, the curved body design of the VIVO X300 Pro is actually different. The front no longer has curved edges on all 4 sides, a positive aspect, as it will feel more comfortable for gamers and easier to add extra protection, like tempered glass. The corners feel more defined, but also feel more solid and stable in the hand. It is now only 7.99 millimeters thick, or less than 8 millimeters. While it feels slightly smaller, I think this is achieved thanks to the 4 sides of the bezel being thinner. So even though the screen size is still the same, it feels easier to surf social media with one hand. While the X200 Ultra has a physical camera button, the X300 Pro does not. Instead, it now features a shortcut button on the left side of the smartphone body. This button can be used to access 2 different functions, either when pressed or held down. This makes it easier when you want to access features like the flashlight or QR code scanning.
At first glance, the rear of the X300 Pro looks similar to the X200 Pro. However, upon closer inspection, the camera module has been slightly redesigned, except for the contents of the module, which houses 3 camera sensors and the Zeiss logo. The sides of the camera module now have a matte finish with a striped texture, resembling the rotation of a professional camera lens. Similarly, the camera specifications and Vario APOC Sonor text are now more subtle, that is, smaller, which I find more appealing as it is less cluttered. Oh yes, the VIVO X300 Pro camera module, at least in the color variant we reviewed, has a very subtle orange accent around it. This adds an interesting accent without being excessive. Its more compact body is balanced by a solid feel at 226 grams. This is due to the increased capacity of its Blue Volt battery from 6,000 mAh to 6,510 mAh. Paired with the latest Dimensity 9500 chip, are you looking forward to its official launch in Indonesia?